Hello, my name is Gavin Cooper. I'm the Managing Director of Markfield Woodworking Machinery, and we're here at the Materials and Finishing Show. We are representing Martin, our German supplier. I've been working with them for close to 14 years now. So we've got some new products. The first time in the UK, we've got a T77 and a T660. They are the saws. We're also here representing with our latest agency, the Tongan. And then behind here, we have another stand, which is the OAB stand by edge banders, sliding table saw and a wide belt sander. We're stood here in front of the brand new Martin T77. It's the first time it's been in the UK. Super industrial, super heavy duty, two-way tilting. The blade will tilt both ways. But not only that, we have a capacity of 550, so we can do some very big sections, whether it's components or solids even. But also panel work as well. We have scribe blade on here. That's a bit of an overview of what is our most industrial machine. Okay, so we now find ourselves here on the Tongan stand, machines which are made in Belgium and have a big history, big heritage. I'm stood in front of, there's three machines here. I genuinely believe they're probably the most exciting machines at the show. It's a time-saving machine, and what it does, basically makes a 5-piece door. Customers of this machine can produce variations very, very quickly, and importantly, very, very accurately. It sizes as well as tenons and profiles. The shape and size of this is another new machine from the Tongan, which is a super versatile machine where we've got the ability to complete from making a frame to make a center panel. So on here we have a glued panel which is oversized, and we can actually square on this machine and also profile to make a center panel such as this. We can also, on this very same machine, we can actually profile the outside of the door, which is a nice feature, and we can essentially turn these sections into a tenon from here, all on this same machine, on this tool here. Fully programmable, variation of designs and molds to suit what you like. And I have Bart here from the Tongan, who's going to show us exactly how this works. Been very good so far, been pretty busy, some very nice inquiries. First exhibition since 2018, people being very excited about it. We've actually taken orders, which is yeah, wonderful. So yeah, we're happy to be here. It's hard work, it's enjoyable. I mean, most importantly, we always say there's three things that we love to do all the time: good machinery, good service and good people. And we have that with our staff, with our suppliers. So yeah, it's good, we're enjoying it.